One regulator, one global vision. Welcome to the future of international finance here in India. Let's break down everything that you need to know about the IFSCA Grade A exam. Hello everyone, welcome to Oliveboard. My name is Pratik Kaldar. By qualification, I'm a chartered accountant. Let's get the discussion started. If you are preparing for the IFSCA Grade A examination, so definitely you can check out our complete course on that. This will be covering both your phase 1 and your phase 2, and it's completely in English. You can download the Oliveboard application, and there you'll be getting all the YouTube PDFs related to the YouTube sessions. You'll be getting on the Oliveboard application, plus you'll be getting the notifications as well related to all these sessions. You can also download the previous year questions. There is a previous year paper of related to IFSCA Grade A as well, so you can start practicing the PYQs and you can have a look at what kind of questions are coming in these examination. Now let's talk about IFSCA. So it stands for International Financial Services Center Authority. It's a unified regulator of all the financial products and services in the IFSC. Especially in India, the first IFSC is in the Gift City. We all know that it's in Gift City, Gujarat, right? So this is again a regulator. This is again a regulatory body. Now here is one interesting thing, that IFSC authority has been empowered to exercise the power of RBI, SEBI, IRDAI, PFRDA in respect of all the financial products, financial services and financial institutions in the IFSC, right? So they do have a exclusive power of governing everything related to financial products, financial services, financial institutions in the IFSC. All the powers of RBI, SEBI, IRDAI, PFRDA is definitely there with the IFSCA as well, right? So first let's discuss about what IFSCA actually do. So IFSCA is a single regulator for everything happening in the IFSC, and its job includes promoting the global financial business in India, regulating all the financial sector under one roof. So I'm reading the broad pointers for you guys. Definitely you can download this PDF and check out everything in detail, because we need to cover each and everything related to the IFSC exam, right? Allowing the international currency operations, innovation of financial products. So they are bringing new products like green bonds, masala bonds, fintech sandboxes. We have discussed about green bonds, masala bonds multiple times in my sessions, right? So making India a global financial hub like Singapore and Dubai. So here are some of the business activities that IFSC is involved into: banking, fund management, global in-house center, capital market, insurance, foreign universities, ship leasing, aircraft leasing, fintech and whatnot, right? All the international activities that are related to finance, IFSCA उसके अंदर involved है. So if I specifically talk about the IFSCA Grade A Assistant Manager profile, then it will definitely be a multifunctional role of a regulatory and a development. It will be a regulatory role, it will be a developmental role, right? You can think of it as a combination of SEBI, RBI, IRDAI, PFRDA into one role. Why? Because IFSCA is having the power of SEBI, RBI, IRDAI, PFRDA. So every matter related to the IFSC will be governed by IFSCA here, right? All the powers are there with the entity. So definitely what will be your job profile here as a Grade A assistant manager? So you can be involved in regulatory functions, policy making and research. Obviously your role will highly be dependent on the fact that in what department, in which department you are working, right? So it depends on the department in which you are posted rather than the entire organization. However, these are some of the core functions of the organization: regulatory functions, policy making, research, interagency coordination, because this particular regulatory body needs to coordinate with other bodies as well, because they are following the power of the other regulatory bodies, right? International engagement, developmental role, and it's a kind of desk job with a lot of learning opportunity. You can have a knowledge, you can definitely have practical exposure about capital markets, banking, insurance, pension and whatnot, right? So whenever we talk about international finance, IFSCA is an amazing opportunity for you guys. You can have a look कि कितनी सारी चीजें यहाँ पे combine होके in one job आपको मिल रहा है, right? So let's talk about the eligibility first. If I talk about general stream, the eligibility, I'll start from the downside up. Bachelor's degree in law or any other discipline from a recognized university. So the straight eligibility is if you are having a bachelor's degree in any discipline, definitely you are eligible, right? Then if you are a professional like CA, CFA, CS, CWA, then also you are eligible. Bachelor's degree in IT, computer science, or master degree in computer applications or information technology is also eligible for appearing in the general stream, right? Because bachelor degrees from any discipline is permitted here. Master degree with specialization in statistics, economy, commerce, business administration, finance, right? ये सारे यहाँ पे eligible है. I don't know why they have given this particular eligibility criteria so complex. The crux is bachelor's degree, every discipline is eligible. All the professionals like CA, CS, CWA, CFA are eligible. And master's degree का भी criteria यहाँ पे देख रखा है. Almost उन लोगों ने सब कुछ ही तो cover कर लिया है, right? Everything is covered here. So that's the eligibility criteria. If I talk about the age limit, then 30 years is the maximum age. You cannot exceed 30 years of age if you are appearing for the IFSCA examination, right? Then let's talk about the mode of selection. So mode of selection will be having three phases here: phase 1, phase 2, and the interview phase, right? So 2 are your examination and 1 is your interview here. Just like we are having the selection process of all the other organization, all the other regulatory bodies, right? So in phase 1, definitely you will be having the common subjects like general awareness from financial sector, English language, quant, reasoning. So we are having QRE, quant, reasoning, English and general awareness. 100 marks का ये आपका पेपर होने वाला है. 60 marks is the duration. 30% is the cutoff. So I can say that it is ditto same as of the SEBI phase 1 का paper 1, right? The syllabus will also be same only for paper 1. However, there are slight differences. There are some major differences as well in the phase 2 examination. So we'll break it down for you. If I talk about paper 2, then you are having general stream, right? You'll be getting multiple choice questions from general knowledge, current affairs of national, international importance. There is economic and social development as well, commerce and accountancy, management, finance, costing, whatnot. They have covered multiple things in the paper 2, right? So I can say that the syllabus of IFSCA is broader than that of the SEBI. However, multiple things are common also. Plus, if I talk about the level of the examination, then it will be at a थोड़ा सा कम लेवल एज कंपेयर टू सेबी. सेबी के अंदर थोड़े टेक्निकल क्वेश्चन ज्यादा आ जाते हैं, इसके अंदर उतने टेक्निकल नहीं आते. व्हाई? बिकॉज देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स टू कवर, राइट? So you can have a look that we are having so much to cover in 100 marks, right? 50 questions will be there of 2 marker each. So 50 questions होने की वजह से उनके पास पूछने के लिए यहाँ पे स्कोप थोड़ा कम हो गया because topics are too much in the paper 2, right? So definitely in the paid course I'll be telling you how to prepare for this examination efficiently. Negative marking है definitely 1/4 or cut off minimum 30% in paper 1, 40% in paper 2, plus there is a aggregate cut off of 40% in phase 1. Let's talk about the phase 2 now. So phase 2 के अंदर you are having English descriptive, same pattern है जैसा SEBI के अंदर होता है, plus the weightage will also be 1/3. The same thing applies in SEBI as well, right? So you'll be getting 100 marks का paper of descriptive English where you need to attend the précis, essay and comprehension. However, the weightage, the final weightage of this particular paper will be only 1/3. 2/3 weightage will be of paper 2. So definitely your passing criteria will be highly dependent on the paper 2. Okay. So here in the general stream, we are having multiple choice questions like IFSCA Act, Union Budget, Economic Survey, Banking, Capital Market, Insurance, Pension, whatnot. They have covered each and everything related to the pension, insurance, right? Banking, capital market. Why? Because this regulator is a all-in-one regulator for the international finance. Okay. So you need to study everything here related to the international finance. So 100 marks का ये पेपर होने वाला है आपका. 60 minutes आपको मिलेंगे सॉल्व करने के लिए. Again negative marking, same cutoff criteria, right? And aggregate cutoff criteria is also there. Plus then there will be interview. So your majority of your selection, more than majority of your selection depends on your phase 2 examination. The weightage is 85%. Interview weightage is thus the 15%. Let's talk about the most amusing thing now, salary and benefits. So if I talk about salary, it's 1,43,000 per month, including all the allowances, right? So I'm talking about the gross salary here, plus you will need to undergo a probation of 2 years. So in SEBI and in PFRDA, the probation is just 1 year. However, in IFSCA, the probation year is 2 years, right? And there are a lot of benefits as well. You can definitely do have a look. Please do read these benefits. They are as same which we get in the PFRDA as well. Okay. So these are some of the additional benefits that you will be getting apart from your gross salary. If I talk about the syllabus is quite vast, but don't get disheartened. We have covered everything for you. Plus, we'll be definitely sharing with you a super strategy to ace this examination, IFSCA grade A examination. The notification will soon be out. So if I talk about the syllabus of paper 2 in phase 1, we are having a vast syllabus. You can see that there is general knowledge, there is economic and social development. In this, we are having growth and development, social structure, commerce and accountancy. The commerce and accountancy portion is ditto the same as that of PFRDA and SEBI, right? So ये पूरा का पूरा यहाँ पे आपको सेम मिलेगा, मैनेजमेंट का भी आपको सेम मिलेगा. So the important topics that again and again I am telling you will remain same for PFRDA, for SEBI, for IFSCA as well. However, the approach of studying commerce and accountancy in IFSCA will definitely change a bit, right? यहाँ पे मैं आपको एडवाइस करूंगा कि यहाँ आपको फटाफट से पढ़ना चाहिए rather than going into too much detail of commerce and accountancy. If you are giving SEBI or PFRDA, I will advise you guys to study in detail. However, here you need to be selective, right? Not to go into concepts too much detail, because there are a lot of things to cover and you don't have commerce and accountancy in your phase 2 examination, right? And if you see the past year papers as well, वहां पे basic direct questions आए हैं, बहुत ज्यादा detail में नहीं जाना है. Okay, so I'll definitely guide you in the paid course how to cover this in a crisp manner. Then we do have management again is a theory subject, plus the syllabus is also same. Finance, same syllabus, it's again divided into 3 parts: financial system, financial market, and the general topics, right? A very easy and a very interesting subject. Costing, again same, majority of the portion here is theory, rest of the portion is practical. You can easily cover it. Even if you have a weak practical question wala numerical wala background, still you can easily cover the costing as well, right? And then we do have Indian economy, global economy, so core economics is there in this particular topic. If I talk about quant reasoning and general awareness, I have mentioned each and everything for you guys, right? The syllabus is same which we do in SEBI as well as in PFRDA, okay, for the paper 1. If I talk about the syllabus of paper 2, we all know that in paper 1 there is English, there is Prezi writing, reading comprehension, right? So that's clear. However, if I talk about paper 2, you don't have commerce and accountancy and things like that in paper 2. The syllabus is quite different as compared to the paper 2 of phase 1. So we do have to study IFSCA Act, right? We do have to study about GIFT IFSC, GIFT City, and global financial sector. Why? Because you need to have a broader understanding of international finance and not to restrict yourself to just the commerce and accountancy or costing, right? Union budget, again banking related things are covered, so we are already covering it in the phase 1 paper 2, right? That's the same thing, so definitely you will be getting a compounding effect here. These things are new definitely in 1 and 2. Capital market, again it's the same, it's covered in finance of your phase 1 paper 2. Insurance will be something new for you guys, right? So you'll be definitely doing the insurance concepts as well in the paid classes. Then we need to have an idea of pension sector, and that's what IFSCA really do. There is a coverage related to RBI, related to SEBI, related to pension, insurance, and everything is here covered. And finally, you can see here the cutoff. I have pasted the screenshot of cutoff for your 2024 examination. For 2025, the notification is expected soon. Vacancies can be anywhere around 10 to 20, right? And we have already launched a course related to IFSCA grade A. You can check out this course and you can start your preparation now. If you do have any kind of confusion, do let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to clarify it. Thank you so much, right? See you soon in some other video. Bye bye. Take care.